Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this video, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. On this video, I'm going to be giving you an update on what happened to House of Zwide today's full episode. Quickly, let me give you a recap on what happened yesterday. Sansa told Soga that he forgot some designs, so he wants to go home and get some designs. But Sansa yena beyayazi ukuthi uyobamba umzala kaSoga. Detective Mampo be-right ngaso sonke isikhathi about umzala kaSoga. Now uMampo utshela uMaria about everything. On today's episode, Soga and umzala wakhe bajabulile until Sansa afika. Yazi, Sandile is a good friend to Soga, uyambhekela. He told Soga everything about umzala wakhe. Kodwa uyazi ukuthi uSoga uzothemba umzala wakhe because they are family. Manje uSoga ucabanga ukuthi uSansa unemona and ucabanga about umzala wakhe. Soga uzophapha manini vele because umzala wakhe he's taking advantage of him. Mampo tells Maria not to be attached too much to Bra Ike because Bra Ike unemthwalo yakhe. Maria compliment Mampo for being the best daughter and a mom to her granddaughter. Sansa didn't join Soga and umzala for breakfast. Ku-tense, umzala ubuza uSoga if everything between yena noSansa it's okay. Soga vele uzothi yeah, it's okay, kodwa uyayibona i-tension ukuthi ikuphi. Ask Una if they can make a magic for i-client labo. Then Neo offers ukusiza, but Una didn't agree. Kelechi confronted her friends about what they did, and Kat was impressed. Sansa manje tells Mampo about what happened and want Mampo to help him because uMampo hlezi anale plan. Bese wafika kwaZwide because yamazi uhlezi anoshow off. Wa-invite wonke umuntu to the party. Una tells Les to warn Neo and Les yena athi no, uNeo umdala. Vele Neo umdala uzokusikhethela ukuthi ufunani isikhathi bani. Kelechi wathola ithuba loku-apologize ku-Kat and they made a deal yokuthi kumele babe nesikhathi nefamily yabo, bangani babo, nabo boyi-two babe nesikhathi sabo. Una tells Neo that Palesa is not good, but Neo wamtshela ukuthi uPalesa si-type yakhe. Una waba nesibindi sokumbuza ukuthi do you even have a type because the girl you cheated with, she's not like me. Thoughtful of Neo, he bought food for Una since she will be working all night. Kwaze kwaba tense phakathi ko-Una no-Neo. Kelechi, she's finally happy and smiling. Even thanks her dad for ukuthunyelwa uMaria. uNeo uyashiselwa, he even removed the shirt. And Una yena on the other hand be-akakazi uconcentrate. Neo wayenza ngamabomu ovele vele be-ashiselwa. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.